Hi, good morning. Today I'm going for Kafka components, and this is very important. So we are going to cover what is the message in Kafka, what is the topic, what is the partition, and what is the message key, what is a message offset, what is the schemas, what is a broker, what is a consumer, what is a producer. So let's understand about the message. A message is simply an array of bytes from Kafka perspective, and it does not assign any meanings or interpretations to the contents of a message. A message is also a unit of data in a Kafka. So message is nothing, just a data, the rows of data. It's a row or records in table relational database. So this is the message as you see. So messages are batched rather than being descend individually to reduce the overhead. This leads to classical trade-off between latency and throughputs. As a batch size grows larger, throughput increases as more messages are handled per unit of a time. At the same time, it takes longer for individual messages to be delivered through the increasing latency. Messages batched together are compressed and efficient for data transfer. So this is the message is just simply data. Now the next part is the Kafka topic. So the message is coming and it's going to the Kafka topic. So particular type of message will go to particular topic. So topic, you can say messages are get written read from topic, and topic can be though as analogous to the directory, folder, or operating system or table. So typically from we use read data from MySQL and put into Kafka. So each table, each topic, which we call the topic. The next part is the partition. So partition, the partition is very important part for big data ecosystem. So partition is nothing but horizontal scaling. So topic has a subdivision known as a partition. There are a number of salient points of remembered about topic. Messages are ordered by the time only within the partition, not across the entire all partition. Messages are read from beginning to end of partition. Message can only be append to the end of partition. Partition allow Kafka to scale horizontally and is also provide redundancy. Each partition can be hosted in different server, which allow new partition to be added in topics such as load ecosystem increase. Now there is one more point, which is called message key. As mentioned earlier, that messages get written into topic. Yet since partition makes up a topic, message really get written into read and partition. We can control which partition message length which use the message key. So we use message key, to divide message which partition is message should go. So there is a various methods which use messaging key. Message key is treated like byte array of Kafka as optional. Say there are a 5 partition within a topic. One schema might compute module 5 number of values represent the key of direct. So it's a dividing method. And then also there is a message offset. Messages also have a metadata associated with them called offset. Offset is an integer value that is ever increasing and determine the order of the message within the partition. By remembering the message offset, the consumer is able to continue from where the previously left off. So this is very important part. Next is schemas. Kafka does not mandate that messages conform to any given of schema. In fact, messages are byte array from Kafka perspective. However, it's recommended that messages follow the structure and from allow easy to understand. Messages can be expressed in the JSON, XML, Avro, other format. It's important to think about migrate issue that arise in the schema changes. However, for example, a message written should be only the right message in new format. Schema once message reader has been updated with the new schema. Avro provides support to schema evolution and allowed background and forward compatibility. So Avro is a different kind of format which basically allow user to the schema evolution process. So that's also very important. And next part is a broker. So this is also a single Kafka server is called a broker. Usually several Kafka broker operate in one cluster. The cluster is controlled by one of the broker called a controller. which is responsible for administrative actions such as assigning partition and other broker and monitoring for the failure. The controller is elected from live members of cluster. A partition can be assigned more than one broker, in which case the partition is replicated across the assigned broker. This creates a redundancy. In case of the broker fail, it allows another broker to take replace with the distributing across the partition for the user. Within a cluster, a single broker owned partition and said to be leader, all other partition replicated broker called a follower. Every producer and consumer interacting with the partition must be connected with the leader that partition. So this is the diagram complete. Broker is like cluster. In the broker we have topic, various topic B, topic T, and then we have partition. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.